Hello, good evening, good morning, good afternoon. This is Solomon Equaro, and what you're about to watch on this video is the heavy downpour that happened in Dubai on the 31st of December 2021. Stay tuned, stay back, and see how it went down. Whenever it rains in Dubai, it's something else. This is E311. But you can see what's happening there. Everyone is just skidding on top of high speed. What I would say high speed. It's raining cats and dogs in Dubai. And from Alpha says 3 going towards Maldives City Center using E311. It's raining cats. Not like small cats, like big cats and big dogs. And see what the screen says. Slow down, watch for water ponds. See that? Catch you later, man.